This is a Logosol smart log turner. I've had it for a while, but I've never made a video of it until now. It's formed of two identical pieces, each of which has a spring-loaded hook and a toothed section as well. They're then joined together with a pivot so that they can move independently. I'll demonstrate it by turning this log. It's the hooks that pull the log round, not the toothed bits. So if I want to turn the log away from me, the hooks need to go on the underside. And then you lift one, and then lift the other, and as you can see, each one then slides back. That slides round, lifts, that one slides round and lifts. It's probably a relatively niche bit of equipment and quite expensive for what it is. But if you're moving logs on your own and you occasionally need to turn them and move them, it could come in quite useful, I think.